All right, we're at Caboose Lake the weekend. I think it's the 10th, September 10th, 2022 maybe. It's the weekend after Labor Day. And we're crammed in here. You can see how they got us. I mean, yeah, you got to put it all just right in order to have a little bit of space. I'll show you what we got in there. You'll notice that there's some noise. And that's because the highway is right up there. You can see the cars and trucks going by. I only really hear it when the big trucks put on their engine brakes. And then it, makes a lot of noise. So let's cover the truck real quick. Truck's gonna get an oil change, tire rotation, I think a fuel filter change here on Monday. The tire tread's going really well. The truck's working perfectly. It's a diesel truck. If you ever want to get a diesel, something you need to learn about, which I didn't know until after I bought it. DEF fuel, diesel emission fluids. This little blue cap here, and that's where the DEF goes in. I use about 2.5 gallons per 3,000 miles of DEF. Let's see if we can make this quick because I am cooking still. Tires are inflated to 65 psi here and also on the trailer. Got TPMS on the trailer and on the truck. Here's our little sign. Making memories, and I'll be honest with you, that's exactly what we're doing. Here's our campsite walking into it. So you can kind of see there's a weeping willow here dipping into everything. They provide us with a picnic table here, and then they also have a fire ring. Got some fire down there. Around 6 o'clock, let me get a fire going, even if it's still warm out. We'll see what happens. I'm not putting the big rug out for the simple fact that it's kind of a confined space. I'm just not going to do it. The wife is coming out with more stuff for me to cook, which is all good. I set up 2 tables this morning. Got my speakers so I can actually have some tunes out. Very selective about the tunes. Some stuff that I keep in the camp kitchen here. You can see it's just miscellaneous stuff. That refrigerator is currently, I did turn it on. Yeah. All the way in the back, you can see where I installed a couple outlets. Those are new. That wasn't there before. Cooking some bacon, some for my vegan friends, meatless friends. I'm gonna get this real close, see if you can hear it. That's the sound of deliciousness right there. That's what bacon sounds like when it cooks.
Hash browns, pancake mix.
Hash browns, pancake mix, eggs. Okay, cool. So this is our campsite. I'm gonna put a hammock between that tree and this tree, and I'm gonna chill for a bit in a little while. But that's it. Our neighbors over there, you can barely see, there's all these trees in the way. I don't want to be too nosy. Somebody's got a fire going down there anyway. What are you throwing at me? Good Lord. She must be hungry. Somebody's got a fire going down there. The lake is beautiful. Let's show you the other side. Someone's got a little boat down there. Most of the people down this way, they're all like full-time spots. They have like seasonal spots. But here's the lake. It's kind of what I woke up to this morning. There's some tiny little minnows in there you can see. They're not going to show up on this video. I don't even know how they could, but I can see them. They're down there. It's very cute, very pretty. But here's the entire lake. Kind of makes me wish I would have brought my my real camera. And that's it. There is nobody outside right now. I don't see one other human being. Oh, real fast. Let's walk up here so that you can actually see the rest of the campground. This spot is actually pretty sizable here. There's a lot of space right here, but it's all empty. But you can see down this road, it's a whole bunch of stuff. It loops around, comes around back here, and then there's a bunch more stuff. There's just 2 little roads that go down there, and then that's where you go out. That's it. I hate that I ended the video on the business side on the sewer, the darn trailer, but it is what it is. So let's go back in. I'll end it in here. So, I mean, this is it. I mean, this is what I'm looking at, We're sitting here and chilling. This is it. I had someone tell me that they stayed here and they weren't too pleased with it because it was a lot of noise. And I get it, but I'll be honest with you, this is all white noise. I don't even hear it. After I make this video and get back to cooking, that noise is gonna go right away. All right, that's it. Caboose Lake. Really? I better make this bacon.